In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to change your combination on the vault lock. First thing you want to do on a Hyosung Force, open the bezel, locate your lock. This is a Kaba lock. Go ahead and put your current combination in. From here, you're going to turn the handle vertical. You're going to leave the door open the entire process in case we mess it up. First thing you want to do is put it into learn mode. You put the lock into learn mode by pressing the 0 6 times. This light's going to light up indicating it's in learn mode. You'll put the current combo in, followed by your new combination, followed by your new combination. It needs to be 6 characters long. I'm going to demonstrate that now. Lock's in learn mode. Current combo. New combo. New combo. From here, you want to keep the door open again. You want to test out your new combo. And I would test your new combo out one more time. You now successfully changed your lock.